In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and edit inline images in Gmail. It's a great skill to have, whether you're sending a photo to a friend or creating a professional email for work. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Gmail in your web browser and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Gmail homepage, click on the Compose button located on the top left corner of your screen. This will open a new email window. Here, you'll notice all your standard email options, including fields for the recipient's email, subject, and the email body. Now, to insert an image, place your cursor where you'd like the image to appear within the body of your email. Look for the toolbar just above the email body section. You'll see various icons, but the one you're looking for resembles a small landscape picture, which is the Insert Photo button. Go ahead and click on that. Once clicked, a dialog box will appear offering you several choices. You can choose to upload a photo from your computer, paste an image link, or select from photos stored in your Google Photos or Google Drive. For this demonstration, let's assume you're uploading from your computer. Click on the tab labeled Upload, which will prompt you to select a file from your system. Browse your files and double-click on the image you want to insert. Once the photo has uploaded, it will appear in your email. Now, with the image in your email, perhaps you'd like to adjust its size. To do this, simply click on the image once. This will reveal small blue squares at the corners and sides of the image. Click and drag these squares to resize your image to the desired dimensions. For instance, dragging a corner will help you maintain the aspect ratio, ensuring the image doesn't become distorted. Additionally, Gmail provides a couple of in-place editing options right above your selected image. You will see a menu that allows you to adjust the alignment, whether you want it centered, left-aligned, or right-aligned. You also have the option to add a caption underneath by clicking the Add Caption button if you want to include a little context with your image. Once your image looks just the way you want it, you can proceed to finalize your email. Double-check the recipient, add your subject, and don't forget to proofread your entire message. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, click the blue Send button located at the bottom of the Compose window to send your email off into the world. And there you have it. You've just learned how to easily insert and edit inline images in Gmail. Whether you're adding a personal touch or a professional flair, images can really enhance your emails. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.